Look at, is this tough or is this tough?
My hair's better. Is my hair
This looks so tough in the sunlight, bro.
emo hair?
Yes. The frick? She looks so tough. I want to dye my hair, but what color do I dye it?
Light pink.
Good idea.
Ooh, I want light pink.
I would do teal. No, I do teal in my hair. That'd be so tough. I wish I could zoom in, but I can't because I friggin' broke the thing on it.
How do you break it?
How's your life as a pro gambler?
Good. I'm religious.
Seems like you're doing really good in life, bro. You have a great future ahead of you. I know, I'm about to say, bro. Oh!